Genuinely feel bad for those of you that don't mouth tape when you sleep, because you're missing out on so much and you don't even know it. When I first started mouth taping, I woke up shocked. Not because I couldn't breathe, because of just how well rested I felt. Trust me, I'm not a morning person, but wearing this didn't make me feel so groggy and defeated when I was getting out of bed. Once I actually felt like I was ready to take on the day. This mouth tape helps you to start breathing through your nose, which allows you to intake more oxygen compared to mouth breathing, hence making you feel more rested when you sleep. So if you haven't tried mouth taping before, don't knock it till you try it. Make sure to grab some at the link below.